Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for November 17th, Sunday. Looking at the impacts throughout the period, our main impacts are really we have two systems, one tonight and tomorrow, just a slight uptick in winds, maybe a little bit of snow showers and a northwest flow. Overall, looking very light snow, if anything, just a little bit on Targhee Pass. The bigger system comes on Tuesday through Wednesday, maybe even to Thursday. It's a kind of a split flow system. The first portion will come through on Tuesday, and then the second one will become Wednesday and maybe into Thursday from our south. Looking at the current water vapor imaging, you can see that northwest flow of our area, high pressure, maybe a little bit of chance of fog along some of our rivers, but really not looking for much of that, if any, with the cloud cover coming overhead. You can see there's a little bit of dry slot there, so we have a little bit uptick in winds this afternoon, but really not much. Again, the bigger system is going to be Tuesday into Thursday. So here's today's system on the surface map. Again, just very light, if any, snow at all across our area. And there's our max temperatures, a good 10 to 15 degrees above normal. And then as our winds, you can see just mountaintops mostly, but then just a slight bit of tuck. These are wind gusts. Do have 10 or so across the lower elevations. Again, not much of an uptick in winds. And as far as Monday is concerned, a lot of this is really with the next system that's going to hit us on Tuesday. So this is like around midnight or so. Again, we're not going to see a lot with that storm system. It's going to be very, very light overall, less than an inch. I'll show you those values in a minute. And as far as our max temperatures, you can see on Monday, again, quite nice, good 10 to 15, actually increases slightly over Sunday. And then here's our again on Tuesday. Most of that happens real early in the morning, like I said, Monday night into Tuesday morning. And then we start to see some of the snow coming up from our south and precip as we're split. So the first part of this is really on late Monday into Tuesday, and the second part comes in late Wednesday into Thursday. And I'll show you those values in a minute. Here's our snow on Tuesday. You can see relatively really light, half an inch or so in the Island Park, and then you can also see in the Sawtooths. And then as we go to our max T's, they're still quite warm on Tuesday, just early on, and then they drop quickly Tuesday late afternoon into Wednesday. You can see these are still around 10 degrees above normal. And then here's our gust for Tuesday afternoon after that cold front goes through. Gusts to 20 to 25. And then here's our snow as you go into Wednesday. Again, there's some mainly it's going to be across our southern areas. Again, it's a half an inch to an inch. It will be there's potential if that goes a little farther north that those could jump up to a couple inches, but if it goes a little farther south, we hardly get anything. And then here's our max temperatures that I wanted to show you on. Actually, just skip those to Wednesday real quick. You can see they drop near normal across the area, and they're quite low. And then as far as our impacts, just as a summary, a light snow as far as this evening over maybe Targhee Pass, a little bit of wind, not really much of impact, 20-25 across Snake River Plain and some ridge tops on Tuesday. And then you see that snow in our northern areas and Lost River areas and Sawtooth, Lemhi County, and then not probably making it as far as the Wood River Valley. And again, the half an inch to an inch, and then we're seeing snow in our southern areas, maybe around an inch, possibly up to 2, depending if that low goes a little bit farther north, maybe even a little bit more if it goes even farther north. But again, if it goes south, we won't even see an inch. And then again, if it goes farther south, we won't see any snow. If it stays a little bit farther to the north, we could see some lingering snow Thursday morning of an inch or so. Snow level is about 6,500. So again, light snow this evening, a little bit uptick in winds with a weak system, but the bigger system is Tuesday through Wednesday and maybe even Thursday. Again, it's with a split flow. We don't tend to get a lot, but we are looking for a little bit over our northern areas, at least on Tuesday, and then our southern areas Wednesday, and maybe lingering into Thursday. depending on where that track exactly goes. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call here at this number. Thank you.